Okay friends, welcome to IACE. Today we are going to discuss IBPS PO Prelims Grand Test number 6 reasoning explanation. Take your first question. Question number 66 to 68. Friends, here the given is what? 7% BD, KM, ST and W are in different heights. Only 2 persons are taller than K and now. Take care, they given total 7 persons and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 persons. Now they given is what? Only 2 persons are taller than K. Friends, here then take care K. Only 2 persons are taller than K. Only 2 persons are taller than K. Next, only 1 person is between K and S. Between K and S, 1 person. Now K 1 person yes chance, otherwise K 1 person yes also chance. That means there is chance to get 2 possibilities in it. Now K 1% yes, otherwise now take one more possibility here K 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This side 2 members. Now K 1% different is yes. Between K and S 1 person. Leave it. Next point. As many persons are taller than S is 1 more than the number of persons shorter than B. So the number of persons taller than S is 1 more than the number of persons shorter than B and so taller than S, how many persons here we are having? 4. That means here shorter than B 3%, shorter than B 3%. Check one's condition. The number of persons taller than S is 1 more than number of persons shorter than B. So shorter than B here we are having 3 members. Now taller than S here we are having 4 members. Now the number of persons taller than S is 1 more than the number of persons shorter than B. Taller than S is no member, but compulsory 1 member should be there. Why means number of persons taller than S is 1 more than that of number of persons is shorter than B. So here taller than S no person means now shorter than B we can't able to take. Then this possibility no chance. Leave it. Next one. Only 3 persons were born between S and W. Between S and W 3 persons. Only 3 persons were between S and W only. S 1, 2, 3 different spot here W. Between S and W 3 persons. Leave it. T is shorter than M but not the shortest. Now T is shorter than M. T is shorter than M. That means M is taller than T but T is not the shortest. That means shortest person is what? B completed, remaining is what? D and remaining is what? D. Yes, this is the given arrangement. Take your question. Question number 66. Who among the following person is the tallest? Tallest who is? W. So answer is what? Option C. Question number 67. If K is 172 centimeter height, K is 172 centimeter height. They give one more is what? The third shortest person is 168. That means 1, 2, 3. Shortest. Third shortest is what? Yes. S is what? Here 168. Now K is 172 height. Then what may be the height of B? Between 168 172. What the option? 168 172. The given option is what? 170. Answer is option C. Question number 68. How many persons are shorter than S? Shorter than S. How many persons here? 2%. So answer is what? Option B. Question number 69 to 70. Here the given question is puzzle. There are 7 boxes A to G which contains different number of chocolates 2, 5, 9, 13, 15, 18 and 20 are arranged in a stack from bottom to top. Bottom to top. Sorry, bottom to top. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Leave it. Now take your first point. All the information is not necessary in the same order. The box which contains 13 and 20 chocolates is kept top and bottom most stacks. Top and bottom, but here they didn't mention respectively. That means this one is what? 13 or 20. Now this one is what? Here 13 or 20. 13 and 20 are kept at top and bottommost floors. Yes, leave it. Next point. Box F is placed 5th from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F is 5th from the bottom. Next one. F is 5th from the bottom. Box A and E contains 2 and 15 chocolate respectively. That means A contains 2, E contains 15. A contains 2, now E contains 15 chocolates. They are given respectively. And first person is for first, second is for second. That means A is for 2 and E is for 15 chocolates. Next. Box C is kept immediately above the box F. C is immediately above the F. Leave it. Next point. Box B contains 5 chocolates and one box is kept between box A and B. B contains 5 chocolates. B contains 5 chocolates. Between B and A, one box. Leave it. Next point. Next one is what? Box A is kept immediately below the box F. A is immediately below the F. A contains 2 chocolates. Between A and B, one box, B contains 5. A, 1, B, no chance. A, 1, this one is what? B, now B contains 5 chocolates. Leave it. Go for next point. Box G contains 13 chocolates. Leave it. Here, G top chance, bottom also chance. Next one. There are only 2 boxes are between the box which contains 9 chocolates and the box which contains 15 chocolates. Between 15 and 9, here we are having 2 boxes. Now, E 15 chocolates, top no chance, here no chance. This is the only possibility for E. E 15. Between 15 and 9, here we are having 2 boxes. There are only 2 boxes between 9 and 15 chocolates. Now, 15, 1, 2, this one is 9. Next. Box C contains 9 chocolates and it is placed just above the box which contains 18 chocolates. C contains 9 chocolates, it is just above the box contain here 18 chocolate. F contains 18. D is above box G. D is above G means now this one is what? Here D, this one is what? Here G. D is above G. But the given is what? G contains 13 chocolates. That means here G contains 13 chocolates. That means here D contains 20 chocolates. So this is the given arrangement. Take the question. Question number 69. How many boxes are between B and C? Between B and C, how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3 boxes. So answer is what? Option C. Question number 70. Box F contains how many number of chocolates? F contains how many chocolates here? 18. So answer is what? Option E. Question number 71. Which of the following statement is correct? D20. This one is correct only. Next, F2 wrong. A5 wrong. G18 wrong. A9 wrong. So answer is what? Option A. Question number 72. How many boxes are there between the box which contain 9 chocolates and 5 chocolates? Between 9 and 5, how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3 boxes. So answer is what? Option B. Question number 73. What is the position of box B with respect to G? Position of B with respect to G, immediately above. Immediately above. Position of B with respect to G, answer is what? Immediately above only. So immediately above means answer is what? Option C. Question number 73, answer is option C. Question number 74 to 75, here the again question is from blood relation. A family has only 7 persons, namely A to G. Each child has either both or none of the parents are alive, live. A has the only sibling of D. Now, A is the only sibling of D, leave it. D's mother was married to F. D having mother, this mother is married to F. D's mother was married to F. Who has 2 sons? That means F having 2 sons, leave it. A was the son of B. A is the son of B and but A is a child of this person F. A is the son of B means now B and F both are couples. B minus means F is plus. Now A was son of B. C was A's maternal aunt. C was A's maternal aunt. Maternal means what? Mother side. Now C is maternal aunt of A. She was A's maternal aunt. Next, G was D's niece. G is D's niece and G is D's niece. Now take a G. G is D's niece. Niece means what? Sibling daughter. Here G is D's niece. Yes. Now this is the given one. Total how many persons they given? Total 3, 6, 7 members. Here 5, 6 members completed. But the given point is what? Each child has either both or none of the parents are alive. So here they are having child means compulsory here we are having couple. Here we are having couple. Now remaining person is what? E. Now E is a female. Y means A is a male. Both are couples. Now F having 2 sons A and D. Yes, this is the given one. Question number 74. How was G is related to C nephew? How G is related to C nephew? C having 2 nephews and so here C nephew is what? D. How G is related to D means what? Niece. C nephew is what? A. How G is related to A means what? Daughter. That means 2 possibilities. Simple answer is what? Cannot be determined. Why means here C having 2 nephews and they are talking about which one? We don't know. Question number 75. 4 of the following bear similar relation and hence form a group. Which among the following is not belongs? Now, take first one C. C is a female. B is a female. E is a female. G is a female. A is a male, then answer is what? A. Y means remaining all are females, but A is a male. Now question number 76 to 80, they again questions are from coding and decoding. Question number 76, which of the following is the code for remember? Check once remember is present in which line. Here we are having remember. So remember is present in only first line. That means only information in first line is remember, then only code, then only code. Check once. Common codes eliminate. GOT eliminate. HUT eliminate. Next RUM eliminate. So remaining is what? Bin. In first line only information is remember, only code is what? Bin. So answer is what? BIN. Option BN. Question number 76, option B. Question number 77, which of the following can be the code for keep her wise? First take keep and here we are having keep, only information is keep. Now remaining lines keep is not there, leave it. Now only code. HUT eliminate, SIT eliminate, then answer is what? FE. So keep code is what? FE. Next one, her first line not there, second line not there, that means here her is not present, that means her code is what? New code, leave it. Next wise, here we are having wise and check once, here first line wise, here also we are having wise. Now here in this line common code RUM, so answer is what? RUM. So FE RUM should be present, one new code should be present. FE RUM, RE is already there, then for this one no chance. FE RUM, now FE not there, leave it. FE RUM, next RO, whether RO is present, not there, then this is the only answer. Why means her is not there, her code is what? New code. RO is not there, then this is the answer. Question number 78, which of the following is the code for that shoe? Check once that is present in which line send. Here we are having that, here we are having that. So here only information is that, then only code. So GOT eliminate, that means here YE. So that code is what? YE. Next shoe. Here we are having shoe, here also we are having shoe. Next here RE, here also we are having RE. That means your answer is what? YE. Answer is YE, not there. Then simple answer is what? None of the above. Question number 79. Which of the following will be the code as LOREYE? First take L1. Here LO is present in only second line. Only information is LO, then only code. Eliminate remaining. Shoe eliminate. Next one, side also eliminate. That means here trip. So LO stands for here trip and LO stands for trip. Next RE. Check once RE is present in which lines. Here we are having RE, here also RE. Now common code is what? Shoe, here also we are having shoe. That means here RE means what? Here shoe. Next YE. Check once YE is present in which lines. Here we are having YE. Remaining lines YE is not there. That means only information is YE, then only code is YE, only information. Here drop, here we are having drop, here also we are having drop, eliminate. That means that. That means one is part here, that. So answer is part trip, shoe, that. Trip, shoe, that, no chance. Next. Trip, shoe, that, no chance. Next. Shoe, trip, that, yes, this is the answer. Codes are not necessarily in the same order. Answer is option C. Question number 80 to 84. Here the again question is from year based puzzle. 8 persons A to H were born on same date 2nd June but different years 1975, 1979, 81, 87, 88, 91, 94 and 96, not necessarily in the same order. Next, make all the ages calculations as on 2nd June 2018. Yes, base year is what? 2018. First take years. 1975. Next, 1979, 1981, 1987. 1988, 1991, 1994, next one is what? 1996. So these are the given years and these are the given years. Leave it. Next, go for next point. Now base year is what? 2018. Now base year is what? 2018. Suppose one who born in 1975. What is his present age? 1975. 2018 minus 1975. Here this one is what? 3, 4, 43. That means this one is what? 43. Now remaining percents 75 to 79, 4 years is increased, then age will decrease by 4 years, 39. Here how many years increase? 3 years, then age will decrease by 3 years, 36. Here how many years increase here? Total 6 years increase. Friends, in this case and 79 to 81, 2 years is increased. That means here age will decrease by 2 years. And that means this one is what? 37. This one is here. This one is 37. Next one. 81 to 87. How many years increased here? 6 years. Then age will decrease by 6 years. That means this one is what? 31. Next one here. How many years increase here? 1 year. Decrease by 1 year. 30. How many years increase here? 3 years. Decrease by 1 year. 27. Next. How many years increase here? 3 years. Decrease by 3 years. That means here 24. 2 years increase. Then 2 years will decrease. That means 22. Yes. These are the ages. And now, friends, first to try to take this one, and after that it will becomes easy. Now, take first point. Friends, first point is what? C was 6 years elder to F. C was 6 years elder to F, and then for C, what are the possibilities? If I take C is 43, F is 37. C is 6 years elder to F, one chance, one possibility. Next possibility, and C is 6 years elder to F, and C is 6 years elder to F. Suppose if I take this one is what? C, this one is what? F. 37, 31, 6 years elder. Yes, possibility. Next one, next possibility is what? 30, 24. If I take C is 30 years, F is what? 24. Yes. Now C is 6 years elder to F. That means total here we are having 3 possibilities, and total here we are having 3 possibilities. Leave it. Next one. 3 persons were born between F and G. Between F and G, 3 persons. Now F 1, 2, 3. This one is what? G. In this case, F 1, 2, 3. This one is what? Here G. In this case, F 1, 2, 3, G chance, F 1, 2, 3, no chance, F 1, 2, 3, this one is what? Here G. Between F and G, 3 persons were born. F was elder to G, F was elder to G. Yes, in this case, F was elder to G, but in this case, F was elder to G. No, that means for this possibility, no chance. Next one, D was born in one of the leap year. D was born in one of the leap year. So leap year means what? Divisible by 4. 4 divisibility rule is what? Last 2 digits are divisible by 4. Here 88 divisible by 4. Next, that means here only possibility is what? 88. In the possibility, 88 is the only leap year. D was born in the one of the leap year. In down possibility, here 88 is the leap year. 1996 also. 96 is divisible by 4. That means here also leap year chance. That means here D chance. Here also D chance. Leave it. Next. 2 persons were born between D and B. D was elder to B. Between D and B, 2 persons were born, but D is elder to B. D is elder to B. Now D 1 to B, no chance. D 1 to B. But our requirement is what? D is elder to B. This possibility, no chance. Now, if I take here D 1 to B, but D is elder to B, no chance. Then take this one is what? Here D 1 to this one is what? Here B. D was born in leap years. Between D and B, here 2 persons were born. Yes. Next one. H was 4 years elder to E. H is 4 years elder to E, and H is 4 years elder to E. Now, then only possibility is what? Remaining years 39, 31, 27. H is 4 years elder to E. E is 27, H is 4 years elder. Then 27 plus 4 is what? 31. Now, remaining is what? Remaining person. One check here. A completed, A not completed. Then remaining is what? Here A. Now, take here given in questions. Question number 80. In which of the following year was A was born? A was born in which year? 1979. Answer is what? 1979. Option D. Question number 81. Who among the following was the youngest? Youngest who is? B. Answer is what? Option D. Question number 82. How many persons were elder to H? Elder to H. 1, 2, 3%. So answer is what? 3 members. Option D. Question number 83. Who was born in 1994? Who was born in 1994 year? G. Answer is what? Option C. How many persons were born between H and D? Between H and D, how many persons were born? No person was born. Then answer is what? None. Otherwise, no one. Question number 85 to 88. Here the again question is from directions. Take here given one. Manisha was driving a car race. Manisha was driving a car in a racetrack and had to cover a different checkpoints. Next, their checkpoints were labeled with different flags named alphabetically leave. She started from point A, which was 10 meter west of flag C. A is 10 meter west of C and A is 10 meter west of C. Leave it. Flag D was 10 meter north of G. D and G we don't know. Leave it. Flag E was 10 meter south of B. Don't know. Flag F is 20 meter south of C. Now take this one. They given is what? Flag F was. Flag F. Now they given is what? Flag F was 20 meter south of flag C. F is 20 meter south of C end. Next one. Flag B was 15 meter east of D. Leave it. G was 15 meter east of F. Now G is 15 meter east of F and G is 15 meter east of F. If you know about G, take before points. Flag D was 10 meter north of G. D is 10 meter north of G. Next, E was 10 meter south of B. E was 10 meter south of B. We don't know about B end. Next, B was 15 meter east of D. B was 15 meter east of D end. Now, B is 15 meter east of D. If you know about B, before point is what? Point E was 10 meter south of B. Now, E is 10 meter south of B and E is 10 meter south of B. This one is 10, this one also 10. Now, E is 10 meter south of B. Yes, this is the given one. Now, take the given question number 85. What is the direction of flag B with respect to F? With respect to F means direction diagram side F. Now, east, west, north, south. B is which direction with respect to F? Answer is what? Here, northeast. So, northeast means option A. Question number 86. What is the distance between F and E? Distance between F and E and F and this one is what? 15. This one is 10. This one is 10 means these two are same line. This one is 15. This one is what? Here 15. Total is what? 30. Answer is option A. Next 87. In which direction was flag F with respect to D? F is which direction with respect to D and with respect to D? East, west, north, south. Answer is what? Southwest. Option C. Next friends, question number 88. Find the odd one out. So out of given 5, 4 is same, 1 is different. Which one is the different? Now M, O, R and. Now friends check it. Here the given is what? M, O, R. M plus 2 is what? O. O plus 3 is what? R. Next. R is what? 18. 18 plus 2, 20 T. T W. 20 plus 3, 23 W. Yes. Next. L N. L is 12 plus 2, 14 N. N next one is what? Plus 2 next one plus 3. N R. Here N R. Friends N is 14. Next R is what? Here 18. This one is what? Here plus 4 and this one is what? Plus 4. N next 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That means plus 4 that one. Next C and E plus 2. Next E and H 5 plus 3 8. Yes. This one is what? Plus 2 plus 3. Next one Q and A 17 plus 2 19. 19 plus 3 22. That means V. That means which of the following is odd one out means answer is what? Option C. Why means except option C for remaining options for first letter second letter plus 2 second letter third letter plus 3 but in this case this one is what? Plus 4. So this is the different one. Question number 88 answer is option C. If it is possible to make a meaningful word using the second, fifth, sixth and ninth letters of the word, take your authority. First letter. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, so second letter is what? U. Fifth letter is what? O. Next one, sixth letter is what? R. Ninth letter is what? Here, Y. So, if it is possible to make a meaningful word with these letters, then what will be the third letter from the left end of the word? So, form. Mark Y as answer if no such word can be formed. If more than one, then answer is formed X. If you are able to frame meaningful word, then third letter from left hand is the answer. Now, by using this font, we are able to frame one meaningful word, your, Y-O, U-R, yes. We are able to frame meaningful word means then from left hand third letter, 1, 2, 3, U is the answer. So, answer is option C. Question number 90. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word? Here, mock test. Take here the again one, MPS value 13, 15, 3, 11, 20, 5, 19, 20, 19. Yes. Now, take here. Friends, they didn't mention both forward and reverse. By default, both forward and reverse. Now, after 13, what will come? Number format 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. At the same time, 19, next one is part 20. Check once. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. After 19 again, next one is what? 13, again count. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That means 13 to 20. After 20, no number, leave it. Next one, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. No, leave it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No. After 20, no number, leave it. 5. After 5, nearby, no one, leave it. 19. Next one is what? 20. Next, leave it. Next, 20, 21. So, forward, 3 pairs. Take keywords. 19, 20. After 20, no number, leave it. After 20, no number, leave it. After 19, 20, 21, no. After 5, 6, 7, next 8, 9, 10, no. After 20, no number, leave it. Next one, after 11, 12, next one is part 13, next one is part 14. Next, after 13, 3, 4, 5, next 15, 16, no. That means reverse we are having only one pair. Forward 3 pairs, reverse 1 pair. Then total answer is part 4 pairs. So answer is part option C. Question number 91 to 93. Here the again question is from Silax. Now the again one is what? Which of the following conclusions are logically followed? That means true conclusion. Now take here 91. Some Ertiga or Innova. That means some part is I. Next, only few Innova or Safari. Some Innova is Safari, some I is Safari. At the same time, some part of I is not Safari. Next, only few Safari are EcoSpot. Now, some Safari is EcoSpot. Otherwise, some part of Safari is not EcoSpot. EcoSpot and sorry, leave it. Retake. Question number 91. Sorry, retake. 91 to 93. Here the again question is from Silax. The requirement is part logically follows. True conclusions. Now take your given statements. Some Ertiga or Innova. That means some part of E is I. Next, only few Innova or Safari. Some I is a yes. At the same time, some part of I is not yes. Take first letters enough. Only few Safari are EcoSport. That means some Safari is EcoSports. At the same time, some part of Safari is not EcoSport. Leave it. First one. All Innova can be EcoSport. Friends, Innova and EcoSport relation is what? Can't say. Then possibility is correct. Yes. Here they given can be and possibility. Next one. Few Ertiga or Safari. Ertiga and Safari can't say. Then second one is wrong. Next answer is what? Only one follows. Only one follows means one check here option. Only one follows. So answer is what? Option A. So question number 91. Option A. Question number 92. All iPhone are one place. Friends, take here iPhone. This all iPhone is a one place. All iPhone is a here one place. Next, only few OnePlus is a Samsung. Some OnePlus is a Samsung. At the same time, some part of OnePlus is here not Samsung. All Samsung are Moto. This one is what? Here Moto. Only few Moto are Nokia. Some Moto is a Nokia. Some part of Moto is here not Nokia. Take first conclusion. All iPhone can be Samsung. Friends, iPhone and Samsung relation is can't say. Then all iPhone can be Samsung. Can able to draw like this? Yes or no? Then first one is correct. And here iPhone and Samsung relation is can't say. We know only some part of OnePlus is not Samsung. What about this iPhone and Samsung means can't say. That means here all iPhone can be Samsung. First one is correct. Next one. Few OnePlus is a Moto. Some part of OnePlus is mixed with here Moto. Yes. Then second one also true. Next third one. That means answer is what? Only 1 and 2 are true. So both 1 and 2 are true means now check once. Both 1 and 2 are true. Answer is option E. Next question number 93. All Sonata are fast track. Take a Sonato. All Sonata is a fast track. All fast track is a Titan. All fast track is a Titan. Only few Titans are fossil. Some Titan is a fossil. At the same time, some part of Titan is here not fossil. First conclusion. No Sonata is a fossil. Sonata is one here fossil. We can't say relation. Then first one is wrong. Next, all fast track can be fossil. All fast track can be fossil. Fast track fossil relation is can't say. Then here they given a possibility. If it is a possibility, if it is a can't say, possibility is corrected. So answer is what? Only 2 follows. Only 2 follows means answer is what? Option B. If the conclusion 2 follows. Question number 94 to 97. 6 persons A to F are standing around a triangular such that 3 persons standing in the corner are facing away from the center and 3 persons standing along the side are facing toward the center. 3 persons are standing in the corner end. Friends, total here we are having 6 members. Out of 6 members, 3 of them is at middle, remaining 3 is at the corner. Next, they given is one, 3 persons standing in the corner are facing away from the center. Corners are facing away from the center. Corners are facing away from the center. Then middle is facing towards the center. Leave it. Next one. Those standing at the corners like color black or white. Now corner persons are like here black or white. Those one who is sitting corner, they will like black or white. Next one. Those who are sitting in the sides like red or blue. Here sides is fixed for red or blue. This one is fixed for side and this one is fixed for side. Yes, leave it. Now, take first point. E and F are standing to the immediate left of each other. E and F are immediate left of each other. Leave it. Next one. Neither E nor the person standing adjacent to E likes black. Leave it. Neither F nor the person standing adjacent to F likes blue. Leave it. 2 persons are standing between B and E, but we don't know whether B and E are standing at corner or middle. Now suppose B corner chance, middle also chance. Take one more possibility. Now I will take B is at middle and B is at middle. So middle persons are facing inside, corners are facing outside. Now I will take this one is for here B, this one is for here E. Now they mention is for 2 persons standing between B and E. B clockwise 3 members, anti-clockwise 2 members. Clockwise 2 members, otherwise anti-clockwise also 2 members. Between B and E 2 persons. Yes, leave it. Next. If you know about E means first point, E and F are immediate left of each other. So E and F are immediate left of each other. Here F chance, here F chance. Suppose if I take here F, now here E is immediate right of F. Our requirement is what? E and F both are immediate left of each other. That means E is immediate left of F and F is immediate left of E. That means this is the possibility for F is immediate left of E and E is immediate left of F. In this case, E and F are immediate left of each other. If I take here F, no chance. Then this is the possibility for F. Now E and F are immediate left of each other. Leave it. Next one. Next point is what? 2 persons are standing between F and A. Now this one is F. Now this one is compulsory A. Between F and A, take clockwise 1, 2. Here A, anti-clockwise also 2 members. Between F and A, 2 members. This one is what? Here A. Next one. C is standing immediate left of the C is standing to the immediate left of the only person who likes blue and C is standing immediate left of the only person who likes blue. So blue is compulsory sitting at the side. If I take here side and if I take here side, if I take here blue, now C is standing immediate left, no chance. If I take here blue, here C is immediate left, no chance. Then this is the possibility for blue and this is the possibility for blue. Now this one is part C. C is sitting immediate left of the one who likes only blue. That means here blue liked by only one person. Here they mention only one person. Now C is immediate left of the one who likes blue color. In this case, blue is at middle and blue is at middle. So blue is at middle means then if I take here C and if I take here C, now blue here chance. Now if I take here C, blue here chance, here no chance. Sorry, here no chance, here no chance. Why means blue is not at the corner. So this is the only possibility. If I take this one is spot here blue, this one is spot here C. C is immediate left of only the person who likes blue. So when this person will like only blue and now they mention is what? Side C is likes here blue color, red color, corner C is what? Black and white. Leave it. Now take remaining person is what? D. In this case, remaining person is what? Here D. Leave it. Now blue color is liked by only 1%. C is standing immediate left of the only person who likes blue. That means only one person will like blue color. That means remaining persons who are sitting in the middle, they will like compulsory red. This one is red. Now this one also red. Now this one is blue. This one is compulsory red. This one also compulsory red. Leave it. Now middle completed. Corners. Corners colors are black and white. Starting the given one is what? Neither E nor the person standing adjacent to E likes black. E black, no chance. Adjacent to E also black, no chance. That means black here chance, here also chance. Now here E adjacent to E black, no chance. That means here black no chance, here black no chance. This is the only possibility for black. This is the possibility for black. But friends, our last point is what? Same number of persons like black and red color. That means number of persons who likes black and red is same. And now in this case, red color how many persons? 2 members. Black color only 1 person. No chance. Now they given this part here. In this case, red color 2 members. Now black. E does not like black. Immediate neighbors of E does not like black. That means black is fixed for corner. This one is what? Black. Now this one also compulsory black. Next remaining color is what? Here corner. E is what? White. So this is the given entire arrangement. For entire arrangement, clue point is what? Only one person who likes blue color. Now take that point. It will becomes easy. Now take question number 94. Who likes red color? Who likes red color here? F and D. So answer is what? Only D. No, only D and F. Answer is what? Option C and D. Question number 95. Who is standing second left of C? For C, second left. C facing outside. First left, second left is what? A. A. Answer is what? Option A. Question number 96. Who is standing second right of D? Second right of D. D facing inside. First right, second right is what? F. So F. At the same time, the one who likes red color also correct. The one who likes red color also correct. Yes. Next. Who is standing second right of D and for D second right is what? Here F chance, red color also chance. Next, more than one of the above. That means simple answer is what? More than one of the above answer is correct. Why means first option is correct. Next option, the one who is standing second right of D means here F and red. First option is correct. The one who likes red. Option C also correct. That means more than one option is correct. Then answer is what? More than one above. That means answer is what? Option D. Question number 96. Option D. Question number 97. What the color liked by D, A, C respectively? That means first D color, next A color, next C color. D color is what? D color red. A color is what? A is what? Black. A is black. Next C. C is what? Black. Then answer is what? Red, black, black. Check one's option. Red, black, black. Red, blue, no. Red, black, black. So answer is what? Option C. Next, question number 98 to 100. Here again question is from uncertainty. Certain number of persons are standing in a queue. Leave it. K is second person in the queue. Next, 9 persons are standing in the queue. Sorry, sir, retake again better. So, sir, retake. Question number 98 to 100. Here again question is from certain number of persons are standing in a queue. Now they given Q1. For Q, this one is front side, this one is back side. Leave it. K is second person in the queue. We don't know front or back. Next, 9 persons are standing in a 9 persons are standing between K and V. Leave it. 4 persons are standing between A and V. C is standing immediately behind A. C is not the last one in the queue. 3 persons are standing between C and L. G is standing immediately behind L. Only 3 persons are standing behind G. This is the clue point. Only 3 persons are standing behind G. Friends, behind G and only 3 persons. Take here G 1, 2, 3. Behind G only 3 persons. Behind G means what? Back side of G. This one is front end. This one is what? Back end. Behind G 3 persons. Leave it. If you know about G, G is standing immediately behind L. G is immediately back side to L. Next, if you know about L, 3 persons are standing between C and L. L, next 1, 2, 3, C. Otherwise, up also chance. L, 1, 2, 3. If I take a C, C is not the last person. That means here C, no chance. Then L, 1, 2, 3. This one is part here C. Between L and C, 3 persons. Next one, C is standing immediately behind A. C is immediately back side of A. Next one, 4 persons are standing between A and V. A 1, 2, 3, 4, V, no chance. A 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is part here V. Between A and V, here 4 members. Next one. Next one is part 9 persons are standing between K and V. Now V 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But K is second from end. K is the second person in the queue. No chance. Then take upside. Now K 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one is part here K. Now K is second from end means K before 1%. K before 1%. Yes, leave it. 9 persons are standing in the between K and V. Next, between K and V, 9 member 3, 6, 9 members, K is second person. Yes, leave it. So this is the given arrangement. Now take question. Question number 98. How many persons are standing in the queue? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Answer is what? 26 members. Option B. Question number 99. What is the position of V from the end of the queue? Friend, this one is starting of the queue. This one is what? End of queue. Position of V from end of the queue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Answer is what? 15. Option C. Question number 100. If Z is late, Z is standing between C and V. Z is standing between C and V end. That means Z is standing exactly between C and V. Between C and V, how many persons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Z is here. Z is standing exactly between C and V means here 2 members, here also 2 members. Z is exactly mid of C and V. Then, which of the following can be the possible number of persons standing between Z and G? Z and G, how many persons between Z and G? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer is what? 7%. So answer is what? Option E. Question number 100. Answer is option E.